I get right on my desk because I am a good girl. Now, I'm going to walk this way, and you're going to pivot nicely. I'm going to walk back, and you're going to pivot nicely because you're a good girl. Yes, that's you. Come on, go get a treat. Come up. Yeah, and she takes the right position. I'm going to pivot this way this time. Did you hear Max downstairs? He's making a lot of noise. Good girl. Stay. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk close. Good girl. Yeah, you're looking at yourself. You always look at the camera. Stay. That was nice. You tried to turn around a little bit. Good girl. How about this? Can you turn this way for me? A little too far. How about this way? Good girl. You're such a good girl.